Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Jeremy Benedita Dikidu.
What is your age?
I'm 28 years old, ma'am.
Which year were you born?
I was born last June 1, 1987.
Do you have valid work permit in Hong Kong identify card?
No, ma'am.
Do you have valid passport?
Yes, ma'am. It will expire July 28, 2019.
Do you smoke?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family and to gain more knowledge and experience.
What is your hometown?
Papas Capiz, ma'am.
What is your level of education?
I'm a college graduate, ma'am.
Are you married or single?
I'm single, ma'am.
Do you have children?
No, ma'am.
How many people are you in your family?
I have 7 siblings, ma'am.
Brother and sister?
3 brothers and 4 sisters, ma'am.
Are your parents alive?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have financial commitments to support any or all of them?
No, ma'am.
If they were who can take care of them?
My parents are there to take care of ma'am.
Do you have any debt either here in your home country?
No, ma'am.
Do you owe unemployment agency any money?
No, ma'am.
How many years of experience do you have?
I have 4 years experience as a domestic helper in Singapore, ma'am.
What do you enjoy most about the job?
I enjoy my job as I treat my family as my family.
What do you enjoy the least?
I enjoy, sometimes I feel homesick, but my employer are there to support me.
Do you have allergy for food, drugs, and detergent?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of pets?
No, ma'am.
How did you handle conflict with your previous employer?
I talk to them calmly and understand what is my wrong and do in the right way.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
If your last place of employment, in your last place of your employment,
Yes, ma'am.
were both employees working?
Yes, ma'am.
Was your role primarily childcare or housework?
Both, ma'am.
How many hours each day did you work?
8 hours, ma'am.
Do you have first aid certificate?
No, ma'am.
If not, would you be willing to attend such a course?
Yes, ma'am.
If my child burns her hand on the iron, what would you do?
First, I will put a first aid. Then, if necessary, I will call the doctor or send the child to the doctor and call the attention of my employer.
If if my son was being very naughty when you were babysitting him,
I will talk the son calmly and understand what he's doing and talk to him friendly.
what do you do?
I will talk to him patiently, ma'am.
How would you discipline him?
I will understand and then I will treat my son's employer as my brother or sister.
Are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook which cuisine?
I can cook some Chinese and Indian cuisine, ma'am.
Can you speak Can you speak Cantonese?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you like to do in your spare time?
I want to read books, ma'am.
Hobbies.
I love to write some stories, ma'am.
Do you have any special skills like dancing, painting, etc.?
I love to read and write books, ma'am. That's all.
Do you have any message to your employer?
To my employer, hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. I want to work in your place. I want to serve your family. And I want to meet you soon.
Do you have nursery rhyme for your...
Okay, ma'am. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, up above the world so bright, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Ma'am, hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. I want to serve your family. As I will treat them as a family, as my family also, and as a brother and sisters to your son.